Okay, we finished the brake job yesterday and detailed it today. And Saturday it'll go back down there Monday to the driver to use it. I never filmed the inside, but it's really awesome. Western Star, 590 horsepower. Awesome truck. Jerry and Edna Huskins Trucking. There's all the controls. When I was a lineman, our bucket on the Altec controls were in the center console. It was called a Telstar. Can you see that? Beautiful electric windows, wood grain, coming to you from Appalachian America. I like to call this trucking country, but it's really God's country. See ya.